cute ng girl. Dispatcher yung girl na cute. Bata-bata pa niya. Ito ang cute. Lalaki naman ng truck nito. Bus-stop lang itong nasakyan. Ang lalaki ng cargo. Bus-stop lang tayo. Ano? Puno na. Pwede nang umalis. Andun pa yung dalawang bus ng DLTV. Hindi pa nakasakay. O baka ibang bus yun. Good morning, sunrise. Good morning, sunrise in the morning of 7 o'clock. 7 in the morning. Ganda ng dagat, pantay. Very sea level. Very calm. Very calm. Water. Okay, we're going now to Alin, Samar. Going to Samar Lake. Alin. Going to Tacloban. Passing through San Juanico Bridge. Yung bila. Nakaalis na pala yung Santa Clara. Ha? Ligas ko yan eh. Nakaalis na yung Santa Clara. Nauna pa sa akin. Ay, ayun. Ayun, oh. Oh, yun. Nauna sa akin.
Tayo nasa sa
Santa Clara. Okay. Tayo din. Ma-address na rin tayo. Na-abante na rin tayo. Happy trip. Happy voyage. Bon voyage trip to Leyte for a short vacation. Thank you, Lord. Nice, very, very nice weather. Thank you so much, God.